Welcome to the Nathan and Laurence Instagram Stories Growth course. The next video series is all about how to edit your stories, pictures and videos on your phone to create more captivating content and stories for Instagram. It'll definitely help you stand out, gain exposure and keep people coming back for more without having to spend even one penny on apps. I'm not going to make one long video. Instead, I will divide it up into 6 separate videos so I can go more in depth on each app and how to use them to stand out. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to find out when I've uploaded a new video to our Instagram Stories Growth course. So let's get to it. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview about what you'll be able to learn, and I will update the description below when each additional course video comes out. Additionally, you can find the videos in the playlist here. And as I've said before, we'll be releasing 5 videos in the next few weeks. The first one will show you how to use VIDEOLER and create awesome mask transitions, which is really something only professionals know. But I'll show you an easy way to do it on your phone. In the second video, you'll learn why you need subtitles and how to add them. And this is so important to capture your audience's attention because often they will look at your stories without volume, and if you're showing them a bland talking head, they might very easily skip the story. But if you add subtitles, especially creatively done ones, you'll easily capture their attention and retain it in both in the moment and in the future. In the third video, I'll show you how to include clickable links in Instagram and get the swipe up feature without needing 10K followers. In the fourth video, we'll look at how to leverage existing apps to make your videos and pictures more cinematic, story-like, and ways to use those apps in combination with other apps to stand out from people using the same apps. In the fifth video, we'll look at how to use analytics to determine the best times to post stories and posts to get the highest exposure possible, and some tips on how to leverage the Instagram algorithm. Okay, that's the brief summary of our Instagram growth course, and each new element you'll learn will bring you closer to the consistent growth you're looking for. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell notification to get updated when we bring out a new video. You can also find us on Instagram by looking for @Nathan and Laurence Videos, where you can follow along our adventures and stories or simply hop by for a chat. As always, see you soon and see you later.